Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you can not afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another reading chart, how to read candlestick chart video. We have weekend, all the market is closed, so I cannot do any kind of live trading, and so I will do here this kind of reading chart, how to read candlestick chart videos, where I'm gonna get in detail of those trades which I have done already, on that were my support and resistance trades which I have done, and yes, and bring the insight how and why I took those trades, what you should avoid, and yes, and how to read candlestick pattern, yes, and the chart in detail. So for this you need also to know those kind of things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So let's start immediately. And here is this video. Let me draw here first of all the market condition. You see we have here this kind of ranging market. Yes, we have here ranging market. You see here that is the market range. We got here an extreme level. Here this candle got already a rejection from it. Yes, a really nice wick. And yes, and you see here everything is flat, the 200, the 100, the 50, yes, and also the 20 is moving only a little bit. We got here a pullback from the 100, here we got a Bollinger squeeze, here we have ranging, yes, and that is everything, yes, that is already all. You see here the flat Bollinger band, here the middle Bollinger band, this flat thing is a nice support and resistance area, yes, and this is what I have drawn here. But I have drawn it not based on this flat Bollinger band. I have drawn this because, like I have explained so often, the change of polarity. We have here support, we got here resistance, yes, we got here support, support again, yes, and here we close below this. And then we got here, I don't know what will happen here, yes, but it looks like we got here again support, yes. And this broke twice here through it. So, and let's see what's happening. And as soon there is something to explain, I will stop the video. And then I'm going to discuss with you, or I will explain you why I took this trade and what you should avoid. So above I have set another support and resistance level, also due of the change of polarity. You see here support, resistance, yes, support again, and now we have here twice the resistance again, yes, and that's the reason why I have drawn this kind of support and resistance level. So I'm preparing to do a put here. Okay, I want to do a put here, but I'm explaining now something. Yes, exactly. I'm explaining that if this price will touch this level, I will enter into a put. Yes, because we have a downtrend. We have here a double top. Yes, that means, okay, wait. So let me explain this. So, and yes, the direction is down because we have here the neckline. The 50 EMA here is the neckline. We got here this kind of double top, yes. And now we are going to break through it. Here it was a small pullback to this level, yes, and because those two candles were wick, and this wicks are showing selling pressure, yes, and this crossing of the 20 EMA with the 20 SMA, the middle Bollinger band, is showing that the trend will most probably continue to going down. We got here a pullback, yes, a pullback here from the 1 deviation Bollinger band, and this candle here is showing that we are getting here in a trend continuation, yes, because if we would get a pullback to the 50 EMA, it would look a little bit different. Then this candle would be not such kind of weak candle, it would have been a stronger candle, yes, and a stronger bullish candle, and then I would not enter into a trend continuation. I traded this trend continuation because the overall trend is down. We have here the 200, the 100, the 50, and the 20, like I have explained in the ebook, yes, and then we got here this double top in combination with the pullback on the 1 deviation twice, yes, and we got here twice this kind of rejection from the support and resistance level. and that's the reason why I entered into a trend continuation, because this candle also is showing selling pressure. Yes, that is what you should get out of it, and the market is doing here some kind of panic. It's moving up, down, yes, but it was already clear that price will continue to going down because of the trend continuation. So I'm drawing here another support and resistance level based on the wick to show more the area, yes, where this kind of support and resistance level is acting, yes, and I have placed another one which shows also the change of polarity. This is resistance, this is support, yes, and that's the reason why I have drawn this kind of area here. This candle broke this support and resistance level, and on the rejection, so let me show you this again. I have explained this also in one of the other reading charts, how to read candlestick charts videos, yeah, where I have explained that if you get those kind of close support and resistance levels, 1, 2, 3 candles ago, 3 minutes ago, you can rely really good on them if you have the evidences. Here we have this kind of double top. After this double top, a downtrend starts. Then we got here a pullback, and this pullback is a nice evening star. Then price got back to this kind of support and resistance level, which I have drawn before, yes, which is space 3 minutes ago. Here we got resistance, yes. Here we got support, yes, and that is the reason why I entered here immediately into put, because this candle is showing a trend continuation. Yes, because this is a show me selling pressure, and then I entered, like I have explained in my last deep explanation video, how to identify entry points. Yes, exactly on this level. Yes, above this level, the closing price of this, previous candle closing price. Yes. And that is what I have done here in a downtrend in this direction, yes. And then I try to get the best possible entry point above the closing price of the previous candle, above or near the support and resistance level, yes, which we have here. And that is exactly that what I have explained in the ebook in the last deep explanation video, where I talk about the entry points. Yes, that is also, that would be much better. Yes, that would be much better, this entry point here above this. Yes, but this was already also good because this candle is showing strong selling pressure, and so it was clear that price will most probably going down. Yes, that is an evening star in combination with a pin bar. Yes, and that is a nice selling pressure, and because we are below the support and resistance level, you can expect a continuation of the trend. Yes, because that is what, right, put option on resistance in a downtrend. Yes, nothing else. And you see price is shooting down, and it's creating a nice huge victory candle, but this in the last few seconds of the expiration time, before the expiration time, it was staying there above and was doing there some kind of I would say panic, yes, because you know this already, market is doing almost often panic. Yes, here we have the 1.144 round number. Yes, which this is the area where the price reacts. This is a strong area. Yes, because you see here already 1, 2, 3 times price tried to break or go above, below this level. It was not able to do this. So that is a nice area. So so let's see what's happening here. So I didn't enter into a put because I was not sure if price will continue to going down, because we have here this kind of area which showed me that there would be most probably some kind of support level. Yes, and now I'm looking back a few hours back to see some kind of reliable support and resistance levels which I can use to trade. Yes, and I was not able to find anything here. Yes, so I placed some more because I didn't understood. So, and then happens this. Yes, price is going up above this support and resistance level, and that is exactly what I have explained. Yes, in my deep explanation video, which I have done, the last one about the entry point. As price was above this level, in this downtrend, price broke through the support and resistance level, and that was the reason why I entered here, because this support and resistance level was confirmed 5 minutes ago, yes, and the distance here was so far away from each other that this was a clear put, yes, because the trend was not over, it was still a downtrend. Such kind of trades will not happen often, but if they happen, you can trade them really without any kind of problem, because that are really nice in the monies. Yes, so okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.